Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say that you hope or wish for something. Previously, we already learned that we can use the verb 가지다, meaning to have or to carry with you, to say that you want to have something with the verb form 고 싶다. But there's another action verb that can be used by itself to mean to want something, and that is 원하다. For example, 저는 새로운 자동차를 가지고 싶어요. I want a new car. Or literally, I want to have a new car. Or 저는 새로운 자동차를 원해요. I want a new car. 원하다 sounds much stronger than 가지고 싶다 and is therefore much less common when saying that you want something. But 원하다 is still useful when used in other forms. So let's learn how to say to hope that. In order to do that, we're going to need the verb 바라다, which means to hope, together with the key form of any verb. So here's how it works. Since 바라다 is an action verb, you can just add the object marker after the key form. For example, 다시 만나기를 바라요. I hope we meet again. 너무 바쁘지 않길 바라요. I hope you're not too busy. 건강하고 행복하길 바라요. I hope you're healthy and happy. Both 기쁘다 and 행복하다 mean to be happy, and you can use either. 저도 좋은 결과를 받길 바라고 있습니다. I am also hoping that I get a good result. 잘 되길 바라요. I hope it goes well. So let's go back to the Ketta form, which we previously learned with formal speech was a way to make the future tense. Well, this form also has one additional meaning, and that is would be or must be when it's used together with a descriptive verb. This will most often conjugate as 겠어요 in informal speech or as 겠어 in casual speech. For example, 맛있겠어요. It would or it must be delicious. Or it will be delicious. 정말 좋겠어요. It would or it must be really good. Or it'll be really good. 비싸겠어요. It would be or must be expensive. Or it will be expensive. This form can also be used with a past tense verb stem to mean would have been or must have been. For example, 힘들었겠어요. That would have or must have been difficult. So let's combine some of the forms that we previously learned. The 면 form for if and when, as well as this ketta form, which means must be or would be. We can put them together to get another way to say that you hope or wish for something. Now, this form is actually much more common in speaking than the 바라다 form. However, the 바라다 form is used, but most often just in writing or in more formal speaking. So here's how to make it. Conjugate the 면 form normally, including any exceptions. Then add 좋겠다 and conjugate it. Literally, 좋겠다 means will be good, or would be good, or must be good. So you can think of this form as meaning it would be good if. But a more natural translation for this form is just I hope or I wish. So now let's take a look at some example sentences with this form so you can see how it's actually used. 주말에 비가 오면 좋겠어요. I hope it rains on the weekend. 날씨가 더 좋았으면 좋겠어요. I wish the weather were better. Note that this form can also be used with past tense verb stems, but the overall meaning, whether it's used with past tense verb stems or regular verb stems, is the same. 빌리 씨도 도와주면 좋겠어요. I hope Billy will help too. 사장님도 오시면 좋겠습니다. I hope that you will come too, boss. 제가 가수가 될 수 있으면 좋겠어요. I hope that I can become a singer. 새로운 냉장고랑 냉동실이 잘 되면 좋겠어요. I hope the new refrigerator and freezer work well. So let's do a conversation practice using this form. We have two people here, Seohyun and Yuna. Note that Seohyun is 2 years older than Yuna, so the way that they'll speak to each other will be a little different. First, Seohyun says, 그래서 석진이를 만났어? So, did you meet 석진? 아니요, 아직 안 만났어요. No, I didn't meet him yet. 내일 만날 거예요. I will meet him tomorrow. 아, 빨리 만났으면 좋겠어. Ah, I hope that you will meet him quickly. 왜요? Why? 잘생겼어요? Is he handsome? Note that the verb 잘생기다 conjugates to the 요 form as 잘생겼어요, as if it were in the past tense. 응, yeah. 잘생겼고, 친절하고, 직업도 좋아. He's handsome, and he's kind, and his occupation is good too. Or his job's good too. 뭘 하는데요? What does he do? 언어학 교수야. He's a linguistics professor. 다양한 언어를 할 수 있어. He can speak various languages. 오, 멋있어요. Oh, that's cool. 내일이 빨리 오면 좋겠어요. I hope that tomorrow comes quickly.
그래서 석진이를 만났어? 아니요, 아직 안 만났어요. 내일 만날 거예요. 빨리 만났으면 좋겠어. 왜요? 잘생겼어요? 응, 잘생겼고 친절하고 직업도 좋아. 뭘 하는데요? 언어학 교수야. 다양한 언어를 할 수 있어. 오, 멋있어요. 내일이 빨리 오면 좋겠어요.
So in this lesson, we learned how to say that you hope for something, or you wish for something, or you want something. So practice everything in here, and I'll see you again in the next lesson. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.